what is your read?
So my fourth read is going to be that just because you use AI, it does not mean that you are an AI company. I'm sorry. Every fintech pitch deck I get now says we are an AI company because we use AI in fintech. Everybody else uses AI. Everybody who's not yet using AI is going to use AI. I'm sorry. You're not an AI company. We've got to get better at telling our stories.
I totally agree. I mean, all the people who've been making the action figures of themselves, they're AI experts now.
Yeah.
And all they do is put in a prompt into ChatGPT. So what's your book recommendation? What should people read right now?
What should people read right now? You actually had another book by this author at the event that you organized tonight, John Haidt. He has this great book, The Righteous Mind, which I read like 8 years ago, but I feel gets more and more relevant every year. But he basically does a good job dissecting why, when it comes to conversations about values or morals or politics, people tend to talk past each other. And he basically constructs this idea of like different moral languages. And so people talk past each other a lot because your kind of fundamental language for like how you understand the world is just different than the people that you disagree with.
Okay, so it's almost like you're listening to speak versus actually listening, but from a moral perspective.
Yeah, it's like not listening is the first piece of it, and then it's just hard for you to even put yourself in their shoes because like where the moral basis that you're using to construct your worldview is so different that like it makes it very hard to even empathize with the other person's point. And so you have people who like butt heads significantly on more and more political issues in the US. But if you like listen to kind of the underlying currents beneath what they're saying, there's not actually a lot of disagreement, truly. Like what most people want, I think, for the world and for themselves and for their families is pretty consistent. There's a lot of overlap, but we get kind of trapped in a language about, flashpoints that makes us take different camps. And he does a really good job dissecting those camps.
Interesting. I love that. Well, thank you, Nick. And we'll do another episode later. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.